Hello everyone, so today I'll be introducing you to this is ozone soap, colored ozone soap. It's like this. I actually want to make a soap, so I'm creating it. This soap is very good in whitening the skin. It's a natural soap. It's good in whitening the skin, in removing spots. It helps in pimples also. You can use it like this, or you can mix it with different soap. Right here I'm mixing it with I want to mix it with a different soap. I've not yet opened it, but there it is. It's called Ghana white balls. This Ghana white balls is actually very good for the skin. It helps in repairing the skin. It helps in removing scars like hyperpigmentation, pimples. It helps in moisturizing the skin. It's a natural, that's this one. It's a natural soap. Also is from Ghana. So natural, and it whitens, it lightens the skin, so the skin also. So you can, like, I'm mixing them together and adding some other powders like cinnamon, turmeric, and neem powder. So that's what I want to do. Instead of using this soap, I'm going to mix them together. So they are very good. It's even that other soap and this one mixture actually helps with sunburn also. It helps to reduce the that tan, that color. It helps to reduce it also. And I'll be right back. Let me show you. Also, I'll be adding this Santarade Clay and Bell lotion. It's called like a perfect leg. I'll be adding this to it. It's all natural. They wrote it here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm coming. 100% natural. You see it? I'll be adding it in. It helps in removing scars from the body. It helps in, no, not scars. It helps in removing spots and rashes and all. So if you want a clear skin, you add it. I'll also add to this recipe. I'm not going to add Ghana black soap. I'm going to add Urobo. There is this soap in Delta. It's our own native soap. It's Urobo soap. Urobo soap helps in rashes, helps with pimples, helps in removing oil from skin, like for your face. If you have pimples, it's very good. It dries it out, like it removes the oil. And also I'm going to be adding my shea butter, and I'll put a little bit of cocoa butter in this. So we're not adding anything. Then sulfur, I will add a little bit of sulfur. So we're not adding any chemical in this. Okay guys, so I just let me introduce you to this soap, this ozone soap, and the Ghana white balls. This ozone soap comes in different colors. There's pink, blue, yellow. So I just had to go with the yellow today. Yeah. So thank you guys so much. Please try this soap out. It's really good. You can use it in mixing different soaps together. It really helps. Okay, so please like, share my videos and subscribe. Bye guys. So this is the white one. I'm grating it inside already. You can see it. So I added a bit of black soap, actually a pack of Ghana black soap, because it's kind of harsh, so it's to turn it down a bit.